Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you verticals read concept. In the beginning let's go to deep pass concepts and enter vertical read concept. Verticals is a stretch pass concept that is made up of 4 vertical go routes that are spaced evenly across the field. Against some deep zone coverages like cover 3, the 2 inside vertical routes can get opened down the field. Notice how the 2 inside vertical routes create a 2-on-1 matchup against the middle safety. Based on the middle safety's movements, throw to the inside receiver you think you can get to the ball. Press Y or A.
Here we go. Here we go. One, ready?
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.